Content marketing can be an effective way to increase organic traffic to your website. According to a survey conducted by the Content Marketing Institute, companies that prioritize content marketing see 13 times more organic traffic on average than those that do not. This shows that investing in high-quality content can pay off in the long run by bringing more potential customers to your website. Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, where we talk about all things content marketing. In today's video, we're going to be discussing the basics of content marketing and how it can help your business grow. We'll be covering 3 ideas for content marketing and sharing some tips and tricks to help you get started. And of course, we'll be talking about how to make money with content marketing. Stay tuned for more. Before we start, let's clarify what content marketing is. Content marketing is a type of marketing that involves creating and sharing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. The goal of content marketing is to drive profitable customer action, such as getting customers to make a purchase or encouraging them to visit a website. This is typically accomplished by providing valuable information or entertaining content that is relevant to the audience, and by presenting it in a way that makes it easy for the audience to consume and share. Here is an example of content marketing. A company that sells organic skincare products creates a blog on its website that contains useful information about the benefits of using organic products and tips for choosing the best organic skincare products. The blog posts are written in an appealing and informative way and contain high-quality pictures and videos. The company promotes the blog posts on social media and through email marketing, and also links to the blog posts on its website and its email newsletters. By providing valuable and engaging content, the company can reach a targeted audience interested in organic skincare products. This in turn helps the company build trust and credibility with its audience, which can lead to increased sales and customer loyalty. As you should already know, our goal is not just to teach you things by heart, but also how best to implement them. So here are 3 ideas for content marketers. First of all, you could create a series of blog posts that provide valuable information on a specific topic related to your business or industry. For example, if you own a gym, you could create a series of blog posts that give tips on how to get in shape, how to choose the right exercise program, and how to stay motivated. If you are passionate about videos and editing, then you could also create a video series showing your products or services in action. For example, if you sell kitchen appliances, you could create a video series showing how to make delicious meals with your products. The third method would be to create a podcast with interviews with experts in your industry or customers who have successfully used your products or services. This can provide valuable information to your audience and also help build trust and credibility for your business. Before we move on to how to make money with it, I'd give you a few free tips along the way. Identify your target audience and create content that is relevant and valuable to them. You can't write something about poetry in a blog about dogs, because it won't appeal to the target group that deals with this topic. Make sure you choose the right form of content marketing. For example, if you want to create content with the theme of motivation, then a video or podcast would be much more appropriate for you than a blog. But if you want to make content with delicious recipes, for example, then I would prefer a blog rather than a podcast. Make sure your content is well written and easy to understand, and include visual elements such as images and videos to make it more engaging. Promote your content through different channels, such as social media, email, marketing, and search engine optimization. I've mentioned it before. Quora, one of the best websites to get free traffic. And if you need SEO tools for optimization, then I would look in the description. I've linked some there. Measure the success of your content marketing efforts and make adjustments as needed. See that you do a weekly analysis of your site to see if the content is resonating well with people. For example, if you have a blog about online marketing and one of your topics stands out, for example SEO, then you might want to put more emphasis on writing about that type of content. Continuously produce high-quality content that adds value to your audience and helps build trust and credibility for your business. Let's talk about the interesting topic now. How do you make money with it? To make money with content marketing, you can create and sell a product or service that solves a problem or meets a need of your target audience. For example, if you run a health and wellness blog, you could create and sell a line of natural health supplements or a book on healthy eating. You can also use content marketing to drive traffic to your website, where you can monetize your traffic through advertising, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. For example, you could include sponsored posts or banner ads on your website, or you could include affiliate links in your content and earn a commission on any sales that result from those links. Additionally, you can use content marketing to build relationships with your audience and establish yourself as an authority in your industry, which can open up opportunities to earn money through consulting or speaking engagements. If you have expertise in a particular topic or industry, you can create an online course or digital product that teaches others what you know. This can be a great way to earn passive income, as once you have created the course or product, you can continue to sell it to multiple customers over time. You can promote your online course or digital product through your content marketing efforts, such as by creating blog posts or videos that provide a preview of what people can expect to learn from your course or product. This can help you to attract and retain a clearly defined audience, and ultimately, to drive profitable customer action. Here is an example of how you can use content marketing to make money by creating and selling online courses or digital products. For example, let's say you are an expert in online marketing and you have written an ebook on how to make money online. You could promote the ebook on your website and include affiliate links to some online products, such as email marketing providers, in the ebook. When someone buys the ebook, they see the affiliate links and can click on them and make a purchase. This way you can use the ebook as a content marketing tool and at the same time earn an income through affiliate marketing. In today's video, we talked about content marketing, which is the process of creating and sharing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. We discussed some ideas for content marketing, such as creating blog posts, videos, and social media posts, and shared some tips and tricks for creating engaging and effective content. We also talked about how to make money with content marketing through methods such as selling ebooks and promoting affiliate products. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Until next time, take care.